It's time to make pizza. And the beauty is that this baby right here is gonna do all the work. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna take one of their pizza dough recipes right out of their book. Okay, 3 cups of flour, 3/4 teaspoon of yeast, teaspoons of salt. Okay, we're gonna start with half the flour and the flat beater. Whew. All right, drop the top. I forgot to add olive oil. Okay, mix the first half on low. Add 1.5 cups of water. Then remaining half of the flour. Perfect. All right, let's switch this out, and then this is when this baby does all the work for you. Okay, let's turn this baby on. Nice. Right, that's it. So cover it up, let it sit on the counter for about an hour and let it rise. So while the dough's rising, just get all your toppings ready. What do you like on your pizza? Perfect. All right, time for the toppings. Little bit of cheese, mushroom and onion, garlic, broccoli, sausage. Pop that baby in the oven. Mmm.